Do you ever feel like you're spending too much on everyday necessities, wondering how you can make your budget stretch further? If you've ever thought about how to live more frugally, you're not alone. Our grandparents, especially those who lived through the Great Depression, mastered the art of saving money and making do with what they had. Their wisdom is timeless and incredibly relevant in today's world. Let's explore the 47 Depression-era money-saving tips from Grandma that can help you live more efficiently and economically. Use cloth napkins. Instead of disposable paper products, use cloth napkins. They are reusable and add a touch of elegance to your meals. Not only do they last longer, but they also add a vintage charm to your dining experience, making every meal feel special. By using cloth napkins, you reduce waste and save money on paper products. Use vinegar for cleaning. Vinegar is an inexpensive and effective natural cleaner. It can be used to clean windows, disinfect surfaces, and remove odors. To make a window cleaner, mix equal parts water and vinegar in a spray bottle. For disinfecting surfaces, use undiluted vinegar or a 1-to-1 solution with water. To remove odors, place a small bowl of vinegar in the room or clean the area with vinegar. Using vinegar instead of commercial cleaning products can save money and reduce chemical exposure. Collect scrap metal. During hard times, scrap metal can be a valuable resource. Collect and sell it to scrap yards to make extra money. This practice not only provides an additional income stream, but also helps in recycling and reducing waste. Items like old appliances, aluminum cans, and copper wiring are often accepted at scrap yards. Reuse jars and containers. Glass jars and containers from store-bought goods can be reused for storage, saving you money on buying new storage options. These containers are perfect for storing leftovers, organizing pantry items, or even for use in do-it-yourself projects. Reusing jars helps reduce waste and keeps your kitchen organized. Make your own gifts. Handmade gifts are not only cost-effective, but also add a personal touch. Consider baking, crafting, or sewing personalized gifts for special occasions. Homemade gifts show thoughtfulness and care, making them more meaningful than store-bought items. Plus, crafting your own gifts can be a fun and fulfilling hobby. Make your own yogurt. Homemade yogurt is cheaper and healthier than store-bought versions. All you need is milk and a yogurt starter. Heat the milk to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, then let it cool to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix in the yogurt starter, then pour the mixture into a container and keep it warm for 6 to 12 hours. You can use a yogurt maker, a warm oven, or even a thermos. After the yogurt has set, refrigerate it for a few hours. You can customize the flavor and sweetness to your liking, and it can be a fun and rewarding process. Utilize public libraries. Instead of buying books, magazines, or even DVDs, use your local public library. They offer a wealth of free resources and entertainment. Many libraries also provide free access to online resources including ebooks, audiobooks, and educational courses. Using the library is a great way to enjoy new content without spending money. Batch cooking. Cook large quantities of food at once and freeze portions for later. This saves time and reduces the temptation to eat out. Batch cooking allows you to take advantage of bulk purchasing, which can lower your grocery bills. Additionally, having ready-to-eat meals in your freezer can be a lifesaver on busy days. Use old newspapers. Old newspapers can be repurposed for cleaning windows, wrapping gifts, or even as compost material in your garden. They are also useful for lining pet cages or protecting surfaces during messy projects. By finding new uses for old newspapers, you can reduce waste and save money on other products. Make homemade beauty products. Simple ingredients like coconut oil, sugar, and essential oils can be used to make cost-effective beauty products like scrubs and lotions. Homemade beauty products are often free from harsh chemicals and can be customized to suit your skin type. They are not only economical, but also healthier for your skin. Practice minimalism. Embrace a minimalist lifestyle by keeping only what you need and use. This reduces clutter and helps you save money on unnecessary purchases. Minimalism encourages mindful consumption and helps you focus on quality over quantity. By simplifying your life, you can reduce stress and create a more organized living space. Host potluck gatherings. Instead of going out to eat, host potluck dinners where everyone brings a dish. It's a fun, social way to share meals and save money. Potluck gatherings allow you to enjoy a variety of dishes without bearing the full cost of hosting. They also foster a sense of community and collaboration. Forage for wild foods. Learn to identify edible plants in your area. Foraging can be a great way to supplement your diet with free, fresh food. Wild foods like berries, nuts, and greens are often rich in nutrients and add variety to your diet. Always ensure that foraged foods are safe to eat and free from contaminants. Make a compost heap. Turn kitchen scraps and yard waste into valuable compost for your garden. This reduces waste and provides nutrient-rich soil. Composting is an environmentally friendly way to recycle organic matter and improve the health of your garden. It reduces the need for chemical fertilizers and helps retain moisture in the soil. Use cloth diapers. If you have babies, consider using cloth diapers instead of disposable ones. They are reusable and can save a significant amount of money over time. Cloth diapers are also better for the environment as they reduce the amount of waste that ends up in landfills. Modern cloth diapers are convenient and come in a variety of styles. Trade clothes with friends. Organize clothing swaps with friends and family to refresh your wardrobe without spending any money. Clothing swaps are a fun and sustainable way to update your style. They allow you to exchange items you no longer wear for something new to you, reducing the need for new purchases. Shop at thrift stores. Thrift stores offer a wide variety of gently used items at a fraction of the cost of new ones. You can find everything from clothes to household items. Shopping at thrift stores supports recycling and often benefits charitable causes. It's also a great way to find unique and vintage items. Grow perennial vegetables. Perennial vegetables like asparagus and rhubarb come back year after year, reducing the need to replant and purchase new seeds. These plants are low maintenance and provide a reliable source of food. Growing perennials can save you time and money in your garden. Use hand tools. Hand tools are often cheaper and more durable than their electric counterparts. They also save on electricity costs. Using hand tools can be more sustainable and provide a good workout. They are ideal for simple tasks around the house and garden. Make your own pet food. Homemade pet food can be more affordable and healthier for your pets than commercial options. You can control the ingredients and avoid additives that may be harmful. Consult with a veterinarian to ensure that your homemade pet food meets your pet's nutritional needs. Use natural pest control. Instead of buying chemical pesticides, use natural methods like neem oil, diatomaceous earth, and companion planting to protect your garden. Natural pest control methods are safer for the environment and your health. They can be just as effective as chemical options without the harmful side effects. Men's shoes. Extend the life of your shoes by repairing them instead of buying new ones. Simple fixes like replacing worn soles or broken laces can make a big difference. A local cobbler can often repair shoes for a fraction of the cost of new ones. Keeping your shoes in good condition helps you get the most value out of them. Learn to fish. Fishing can provide a free source of protein and is a relaxing, rewarding activity. It's a skill that can help you supplement your diet and enjoy the outdoors. Fishing also teaches patience and respect for nature. Make sure to follow local regulations and fish responsibly. Preserve water. Install water-saving devices like low-flow shower heads and faucet aerators. These can reduce your water bill and conserve a valuable resource. Simple habits like turning off the tap while brushing your teeth and fixing leaks promptly can also make a big difference. Conserving water is good for the environment and your wallet. Make your own condiments. Homemade condiments like ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise are often cheaper and tastier than store-bought versions. You can customize them to your taste and avoid preservatives. Making your own condiments can be a fun kitchen project and a way to impress your guests. Utilize free entertainment. Take advantage of free entertainment options in your community, such as parks, museums, and community events. Many cities offer free concerts, movie nights, and cultural festivals. Enjoying these activities can provide fun and relaxation without straining your budget. Avoid disposable products. Opt for reusable items like cloth towels, stainless steel straws, and glass containers to reduce waste and save money in the long run. Reusable products are often more durable and environmentally friendly. They help you reduce your ecological footprint and save on repeated purchases. Practice bartering. Exchange goods and services with friends and neighbors. For example, trade homegrown vegetables for baked goods or babysitting services. Bartering builds community connections and allows you to share resources. It's a win-win situation that benefits everyone involved. Grow edible flowers. Edible flowers like nasturtiums and violets add beauty to your garden and can be used in salads and desserts. They provide a pop of color and flavor to your meals. Growing edible flowers is a unique way to make the most of your garden space. Use solar power. Invest in solar-powered devices or solar panels to reduce your electricity bill and your carbon footprint. Solar power is a renewable energy source that can provide long-term savings. Start with small solar gadgets like outdoor lights or chargers and gradually invest in larger systems. Repair your furniture. Instead of buying new furniture, repair or refurbish old pieces. A fresh coat of paint or new upholstery can make old furniture look new again. Refurbishing furniture is a creative and cost-effective way to update your home decor. It also reduces waste and allows you to keep cherished pieces. Eat less meat. Reducing your meat consumption can save money and improve your health. Incorporate more plant-based meals into your diet. Meat is often one of the most expensive items in the grocery store, so eating less of it can significantly lower your food bills. Plant-based diets are also associated with numerous health benefits. Buy in bulk. Purchasing non-perishable items in bulk can save money in the long run. Just make sure to store them properly to prevent spoilage. Buying in bulk reduces packaging waste and can lower the cost per unit. It's an effective way to stock up on essentials like grains, beans, and household supplies. Make your own toys. Instead of buying expensive toys, create simple, homemade toys for your children. This can be a fun and creative activity for the whole family. Homemade toys can be made from recycled materials and customized to your child's interests. They encourage creativity and reduce the need for store-bought items. Learn basic carpentry. Basic carpentry skills can help you make repairs around the house and even build your own furniture, saving you money on labor and materials. Carpentry skills are valuable for home improvement projects and can be learned through community classes or online tutorials. They empower you to take on do-it-yourself projects with confidence. Use community gardens. Join a community garden to grow your own produce if you don't have space at home. It's a great way to save money on groceries and meet like-minded people. Community gardens provide access to fresh, healthy food and foster a sense of community. They are a wonderful way to learn about gardening and sustainability. Make homemade soups and stews. Homemade soups and stews are economical and can be made in large batches, providing multiple meals from one cooking session. They are versatile and can be made with a variety of ingredients, making them a great way to use up leftovers. Soups and stews are also comforting and nutritious. Learn to knit or crochet. These skills can help you create your own clothing, blankets, and gifts, saving money and allowing for personalized creations. Knitting and crocheting are relaxing hobbies that produce practical and beautiful items. They are perfect for making gifts, winter wear, and home decor. Use energy-efficient appliances. Invest in energy-efficient appliances to reduce your electricity usage and lower your utility bills over time. Look for appliances with high energy ratings and consider replacing old, inefficient models. Energy-efficient appliances may have a higher upfront cost to do this, but save money in the long run through reduced energy consumption. Repair broken zippers. Learning to fix broken zippers on clothing and bags can save you money on replacements. This simple sewing skill can extend the life of your items and keep them functional for longer. To repair a zipper, first, remove any obstructions. If the zipper is stuck, lubricate it with soap or candle wax. If the slider is broken, replace it with a new one by removing the old slider and threading the new one onto the zipper teeth. For missing teeth or a separated zipper, use a needle and thread to stitch the area closed or replace the zipper entirely. Swap books and media. Exchange books, movies, and games with friends or through local swap groups to enjoy new entertainment without spending money. Swapping media is a great way to access new content and reduce clutter. It promotes a sharing economy and helps you discover new favorites. Use a wood stove. If you have access to wood, a wood stove can provide a cost-effective and cozy way to heat your home during the winter months. Wood stoves are efficient and can significantly reduce heating costs. They also add a rustic charm to your home. Make sure to use seasoned wood and follow safety guidelines. Make your own cleaning cloths. Cut up old clothing or towels to use as cleaning cloths instead of buying disposable ones. Homemade cleaning cloths are durable and can be washed and reused multiple times. They reduce waste and save money on disposable products. Repurposing old fabrics is an eco-friendly and frugal practice. Utilize online resources. There are countless free resources online for learning new skills, finding frugal living tips, and accessing entertainment. Websites, blogs, and YouTube channels offer tutorials, courses, and inspiration for a variety of interests. Online resources make it easy to learn new things and find affordable solutions. Practice mindful spending. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it is truly necessary. Practicing mindful spending can help you avoid impulse buys and save money. Consider the long-term value and impact of your purchases. Mindful spending encourages thoughtful consumption and financial responsibility. Grow mushrooms. Mushrooms can be grown indoors and provide a cost-effective, nutritious addition to your meals. They are relatively easy to cultivate and can be grown on a small scale. Mushrooms are versatile in cooking and add a rich, umami flavor to dishes. Growing your own mushrooms is a fun and rewarding hobby. Invest in quality items. While it may seem counterintuitive, investing in high-quality items can save money in the long run by reducing the need for frequent replacements. Quality products often last longer and perform better than cheaper alternatives. This principle applies to clothing, tools, appliances, and more. Spending a little more upfront can lead to significant savings over time. For more contents like this, click here to subscribe.